This is John Watson, and today I want to talk about a question that is often asked when somebody is considering filing a bankruptcy. And this is when the bankruptcy has been prompted by a lawsuit, a collection lawsuit. So the question is, will a bankruptcy stop the lawsuit? And the answer is yes. It'll almost always stop it temporarily. And normally it will stop it permanently, at least if we're talking about a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. So let me give you kind of the lay of the land here. When you file a bankruptcy, and for this video we're only going to talk about Chapter 7, what's sometimes called a straight bankruptcy, where it wipes out all of the debt, then the court will enter what's called an automatic stay. And that means no creditor can do anything. It's kind of like the court says freeze to everybody. And they can't do anything. Can't call you, can't write you, can't sue you, can't proceed with a lawsuit. So at least temporarily, the lawsuit's been stopped. Now, how about permanently? Well, that depends. Will you receive a discharge of the debt? Now, if you'll receive a discharge of the debt, which means you do not have any responsibility for this debt, then the lawsuit will go away. And normally, at least when we file a bankruptcy for somebody, we file something in the lawsuit called a suggestion of bankruptcy. It just tells the court, normally it's a state court judge, and the collection lawyer, hey, I filed bankruptcy, I just want you to know about it. And then normally a judge will enter an order and say, okay, nothing further is happening in this case until the bankruptcy case is over. And if at the end of the bankruptcy case you are discharged from that debt, then there's nothing that you owe. There's no reason for the lawsuit to exist. And assuming there's not been a judgment entered against you before you file bankruptcy, then that lawsuit will go away. So bankruptcy is an option to stop a lawsuit. I will tell you this, there are a lot of other options. You may be able to fight it on your own, or settle it on your own, or hire a lawyer to fight it, hire a lawyer to settle it. And those all may be much better options than filing bankruptcy. But bankruptcy is an option, and you need to be able to consider it. And my suggestion is sit down with a lawyer that can go through all of those options with you, so then you can figure out what's best for you. Now, if you live in Alabama and you have questions about this, you can give us a call, 205-879-2447, or you can contact us through our website, alabamaconsumer.com. Thank you.